everyone, welcome to Druv Online Academy. In this 30-day revision series, today we can do part 2 revision of the unit People, Environment and Development. We can revise types of disasters, disaster management and some previous year questions from this topic. First we will see types of disasters. There are two types of disasters. One is natural disaster, other one is man-made disaster. Natural disaster is a natural event which can potentially cause loss of lives and property. In a natural disaster, we do not have any control over it. Whereas a man-made disaster is caused due to human activity. Now we can see different types of natural and man-made disasters. First type of natural disaster is geophysical. Geophysical disaster is driven by processes related to Earth. Some examples are earthquake and volcano. Second, meteorological disaster. This kind of disaster is caused due to extreme weather. Cyclones and tornadoes are examples for this type of disaster. Climatological disasters. This is caused because of extreme temperatures. Droughts and wildfires are examples of this kind of disaster. Then hydrological disaster. This involves processes related to water and flood is an example for this kind of disaster. Biological disasters. This category include diseases that spread fast and cause loss of lives. This type of disaster causes a severe threat to existence and health of mankind. COVID-19 is one such biological disaster. Anthropogenic disasters or man-made disasters are caused due to human errors or mismanagement of man-made systems. This type of disaster can sometimes be intentional as well. Some examples of anthropogenic disasters are nuclear explosions, war, plane crashes, train accidents, and even pollution and deforestation come under this category. Because over a period of time, pollution and deforestation can cause depletion of natural resources or even total exhaustion of natural resources, which can cause further hazards or even major disasters. Now we can see disaster management. There are several phases in disaster management. First is prevention. In this phase, we act in advance to prevent occurrence of such disasters. Second, preparedness. Here, we are taking measures to be prepared so that even if the disaster occurs, the effects can be reduced. Then, response. If the disaster happens, then immediate action is taken to provide the victims the basic necessities like food, water, and shelter. If they need to be evacuated and relocated to some other place, then that is also taken care of. Then, recovery. This goes beyond temporary relief. In this phase, the government makes sure that the losses are compensated for and ensures that such disaster will not occur in future. Now we can revise some previous year questions from this topic. First question, which among the following natural hazards has relatively slow onset? Option A, volcanic eruptions, B, droughts, C, wildfire, and D, landslides. From the given options, droughts has relatively slow onset, so B is the right option. Second question, which of the following disasters belong to the category of nuclear disasters? First, Fukushima disaster, then Chernobyl disaster, Three Mile Island disaster, and fourth, Love Canal disaster. 1, 2 and 3 come under the category of nuclear disasters. We look at the options here. Option A is the right answer. Third question, which of the following belongs to the category of geophysical hazards? From the given options, avalanche is an example for geophysical hazard. Option B is the right answer. Fourth question, National Disaster Management Authority is an agency of the Ministry of. This comes under Home Affairs. So B is the right option. Fifth question, which of the following phenomena is not a natural hazard? Wildfire, lightning, landslide are all natural, whereas chemical contamination is not. So option D is the right answer. Sixth question, which of the following types of natural hazards have the highest potential to cause damage to humans? earthquakes, forest fires, volcanic eruptions, droughts and floods. From the given options, droughts and floods have the highest potential to cause damage. Option D is the right one. Seventh question. Deforestation during the recent decades has led to option A soil erosion, B landslides, C loss of biodiversity and D all of these. Effects of deforestation include all three: soil erosion, landslides and loss of biodiversity. So option D is the right one. That's for today. Hope this helps you. Please do subscribe to Druv Online Academy and watch the other videos in this 30-day revision series. Thank you.